Hey guys, Silly Shay Forever here. I'm really bored, so right now I'm gonna make paper. I just made a paper airplane, so I'm gonna fly it. Not sure if this is gonna go as well as I plan. So if I knock the camera over, not sure what I'm gonna do. Okay. Sorry, I had an itch. My nose is itchy. If I'm gonna be like taking the camera back and forth from like up here and like right here, cause I don't have a cameraman. Cause I don't have a cameraman right now. Cause I don't have any brothers or sisters, or just a cameraman. So I'm just gonna like fly my paper airplanes. So I'm going to put it there. Alright, here we go. Flying paper airplane, take 1. Up. And look where it lands. Let's try bending its wings, see if it does a backflip. Or a spiral. Or something. Okay, I bent its wings. Just a tad, just like that. I'm seeing if it does anything. I'm not sure if it's gonna do anything though. I don't think it matters. But let's see what happens. My controls play over. Okay. Flying airplane, take 2. It actually made it fly a little faster. That's like a tongue twister. Fly a little faster. Flying paper airplane. Take 3. Ha! It landed like on the steps. Okay, let's bend it. I'm gonna bend 1 down. I'm gonna bend 1 down and 1 up. Flying airplane, take 4. And it spirals out of control. Okay, yeah, I just bent the airplane's wings just again. Flying airplane, take 5, I think. Oh, come on, the paper airplane got stuck. Look at that kid. Oh my God. Alright, let's see where my paper airplane landed. Huh? It's right there. That. Right there. Okay. I'm kind of done with that because I can't reach it, so bye guys.